Welcome to the tutorial of how to use the dishwasher and other chemicals within the quantity lab. Upon entrance into the quantity lab, make sure to wash your hands at a hand washing sink and to have your hair wrapped up in a hairnet and to wear the appropriate shoes that are ServSafe certified and non-slip. This is the dish return station, and this is where we'll collect dishes before we run them through the dishwasher. This is the basin that we use to soak utensils and silverware in. The basin can be found under where pots or pans are stored.
These are some of the containers we will use for the dishwasher. This one specifically are for cups. We will put cups in each individual compartment. This flat bin is for silverware and other utensils after soaking in the soaking bin. The next container we will use is the individual silverware. First, silverware will go in the flat bin, run through the dishwasher first, and then after running through the dishwasher, it will be separated by the dishwasher into each compartment by the utensil.
The dishes are to be organized and placed in the appropriate racks, which are found under the dish return station.
You should use and wear gloves when dishwashing for safety and for protection of chemicals or other detergents used.
Make sure that the dishwasher is at the appropriate temperatures of at least 150 degrees Fahrenheit for the wash cycle and at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit for the rinse cycle.
This is where we will allow dishes to dry. Once coming from the dishwasher, allow the dishes to cool, and when comfortable, transfer the dishes from the racks to the drying rack. Here are for larger pots and pans that cannot fit in the dishwasher. This bowl, for example. First, we will spray off any debris in the bowl.
These are the brushes that will be used to scrub the pots and pans at the wash compartment of the 3-compartment sink. Take note of what type of brush you are using. Certain brushes at the sink have certain functions. For example, this brush is used to wash things that have come into contact with raw meat.
These are our 3-compartment sinks. Each sink is designated for a specific purpose. Your first sink is going to be warm or hot water with soap. First, you need to close the drain of the sink. Turn the knob facing downwards. Then, turn your nozzle over the soap dispenser and turn on the hot water. Your next sink is just for warm, fresh water. You will turn the knob to this compartment and turn your hot water on. Again, make sure to check and close the drain. When finished, you can release the drain. Your last sink is going to be for sanitizer and warm water. Again, make sure your sink is closed. Put the faucet over the sanitizer dispenser and turn on your hot water. Once you have your sinks ready, take your bowl or your large equipment and soak in each sink for roughly about 30 seconds until all your debris is removed. Then, from the soap sink, place in the water sink and make sure to fully rinse your bowl. Then, your last step is sanitizing the bowl, which then you'll soak in your last sink. Then, you will place your bowl out to dry. Again, all things are air dried. Be careful with knives. Knives can be very unsafe if not handled properly. First, rinse off your knife, and then with each sink, never leave a knife at the bottom of the sink and always know where your knife is. Again, similar with the bowl, you will take the knife into each sink, carefully moving it from sink to sink again roughly 30 seconds or until the debris is removed. Your last step again will be sanitizing in the sink and then air drying, but never leave your knife at the bottom of the sink. This is our housekeeping closet. This closet is going to contain all of the materials we need to sanitize and clean. A brief overview, you will see that we have our mops and our brooms, our dustpans, as well as we have a cabinet for extra storage that contains a lot of the equipment we will use in our quantity lab. Here you will find your different soaps and cleaners. First, you have your sanitizer.
This is where you can find our multi-quat sanitizer that is used to fill these sanitizer bottles.
In addition, you have a multi-surface disinfectant cleaner.
The multi-surface cleaner and disinfectant is used to disinfect surfaces.
All are connected to these tubes, which then are dispensed through your buttons. Remember to turn on or switch from off to on your backflow. This prevents backflow from any of the pipes into your cleaning or your water supply. This is on and this is off. You must turn the switch before you can turn on to have a flow of water. You will fill up your mop buckets here. In addition, you will find your mop handles and your mops. After mopping the floor, you need to rinse off your mops and leave them here to dry. This brush is your floor drain cleaner. After production, you need to clean the drains out.
Thank you for viewing our tutorial on how to use the dishwasher and all of the cleaning materials that are found within the quantities lab.